Hi, Mark Schweibens with Property Resources. The only thing we do here is sell buildings. We help buyers, sellers, and 1031 customers. Everyone's calling us right now asking the exact same question. What's going on in the marketplace? This right now is something I want you to pay attention to. It's an interesting concept. Right now, loan values are falling faster than property values. We're still selling buildings. We've sold 23 buildings so far this year. But the pricing isn't dropping much at all. There's a lot of all cash buyers out there. There's a lot of 1031 buyers. They're pausing a little bit because they have till July 15th. But everyone wants to know what's going on in the marketplace. And right here I have an example and I want to share this concept with you. Let's consider that there's a 5-tenant building and 2 of the tenants can't pay rent. Meanwhile, the borrower isn't paying the mortgage in full, or the borrower is only making partial payments. Well, the banks are letting the borrower slide here because the banks are really busy with their second round of PPP funding. It takes 10 weeks to get through that whole process. So, right after July 10th, all the banks are going to shift their focus to their loan portfolios, and they're going to realize they have a lot of problem loans. The banks can't afford to keep all of those loans, and they have a number of different ways where they can liquefy that debt back to cash. They can foreclose, they can call the note due and payable, or they can sell the note. We believe all this is going to be happening starting in July and moving into the fall, and we think it will finally start to cause property values to erode. We haven't figured out exactly how much, but this is where the market's headed. This is the dynamic you're going to want to track. Now here in our office, Matt Marsh has produced a white paper on this that I really believe is fascinating to read. I'm going to encourage you to order that white paper. In addition, if any of this is confusing, give me a call. I'll explain all this personally. And lastly, if you get a chance, follow us on LinkedIn. Thank you very much. Have a good day.